Hello students, can you please help me to sing? Are you ready? Let's sing. This is the way I rub my eyes, rub my eyes, rub my eyes. This is the way I rub my eyes early in the morning. This is the way I wash my face, wash my face, wash my face. This is the way I wash my face early in the morning. This is the way I brush my teeth, brush my teeth, brush my teeth. This is the way I brush my teeth early in the morning. This is the way I rub my eyes, rub my eyes, rub my eyes. This is the way I rub my eyes early in the morning. This is the way I wash my face, wash my face, wash my face. This is the way I wash my face early in the morning. This is the way I brush my teeth, brush my teeth, brush my teeth. This is the way I brush my teeth early in the morning. Great. Now, help me to do this.
Clap your hands. Finger play. Clap, clap, clap your hands as slowly as you can. Clap, clap, clap your hands as quickly as you can. Shake, shake, shake your hands as slowly as you can. Shake, shake, shake your hands as quickly as you can. Roll, roll, roll your hands as slowly as you can. Roll, roll, roll your hands as quickly as you can. Rub, rub, rub your hands as slowly as you can. Rub, rub, rub your hands as quickly as you can. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle your fingers as slowly as you can. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle your fingers as quickly as you can. Pound, pound, pound your fist as slowly as you can. Pound, pound, pound your fist as quickly as you can.
Now, we have to make swirl movements. Are you ready? With our hands, we're going to make swirl, swirl, swirl movements. Ready? Let's do it with another hand. Swirl, 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 swirl. With two hands. Are you ready? Now, what we have to do is open our pre-writing book. Do you remember the book? Well, we have to open the book and go one by one, page by page, until we found page 149. What we have there? Well, what we have to do is complete the line, make the swirl, start on green, finish on red, and then turn to page 150 and complete the lollipops. Remember, start on green dot, finish on red. Great. Now let me play the track and listen, okay? Listen.
1, 2, buckle my shoe. 1, 2,
You heard the song? Can you please help me to sing it? Very good. Now I'm gonna play the track again, but this time try to sing it, okay? You're going to help me to sing.
1, 2, buckle my shoe.
Let's sing it aloud. 1, 2, buckle my shoe. 3, 4, knock at the door. 5, 6, pick up sticks. 7, 8, lay them straight. 9, 10, a big fat hand sounds good. Real good. Let's do it again. Say 1, 2, buckle my shoe. 3, 4, knock at the door. 5, 6, pick up sticks. 7, 8, lay them straight. 9, 10, a big fat hand sounds good. Real good. Let's do it again. Very good. Now, let's try to sing it, okay? Help me. 1, 2, buckle my shoe. 3, 4, knock at the door. 5, 6, pick up sticks. 7, 8, lay them straight. 9, 10, a big fat hand sounds good. Real good. Very good. Now, what we have to do is take our at the top book and look for green section. What color? Green section. Very good. And go one by one, page by page, until we found page 47. What we have to do here, we have to remember the rhyme we learned and match the numbers with the correct picture. 1, 2, buckle my shoe. 3, 4, knock at the door. 5, 6, pick up sticks. 7, 8, lay them straight. 9, 10, a big fat hen. Ready? Very good. So please match the numbers with the picture. So we'll finish today. Let's sing the last song. Are you ready? Goodbye. See you soon. Thank you for a lovely time. Goodbye. See you soon. We'll be back to play again. See you.